Hello, welcome to the Real Estate Market Watch and Mortgage Market Update. I'm Bob Gibbs.
And I'm Michael Caires.
And we're in the middle of May 2023. Year's rolling along. Warriors are still in the hunt.
Let's not talk about last night's game.
Yeah.
Ears are still burning. Still coming down.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be okay. Well, we want to give you an update on what's going on with the mortgage market and with the resale real estate market in the East Bay. And so with the real estate market, we're seeing a lot of buyer activity right now. Open houses are full. A lot of buyers coming out on even broker tours for that matter and looking at houses with a lot of showings. The challenge is that there's not a lot of inventory. So we look at the raw sales year over year, they're actually significantly lower than last year at this time. And last year at this time was low. It's only because there's a lack of inventory.
Yeah, and I mean, there's tons of well-qualified buyers out there right now. So if you were a seller thinking about moving in the next 6 to 12 months, you should actually look into it right now. I mean, you may not get a better price than right now.
That's a good point. And what we're finding with the buyers right now is things have changed. There's some nuances have changed in the market, and that buyers are actually looking for homes that are all updated these days. So they're not really interested in buying something that needs a lot of work. They want mainly a turnkey. So if you're a seller thinking about selling, that's something to keep in mind is you're going to have to, unless your home is already updated.
Yeah, would have changed last year. A buyer would have taken any condition.
That's right.
And, I mean, there's been a shift. And so you gotta get your house fixed and ready.
Yeah. So if you're interested in selling, just give us a call. We have some programs available that pay for all your upgrades up front.
That's a good deal.
With nothing out of your pocket and no interest, no fees, and all that stuff. So just give us a shout if that's something you're interested in talking about. So what about the mortgage market?
Well, mortgage market, interest rates have been up and down. They've been in a channel, let's say from the upper fives, 30-year fixed, to as high as 7% over the last 7-8 months. I mean, it's just up and down. It seems to move and shift every 2 to 3 weeks. However, last Wednesday's Fed meeting, even though they raised interest rates 0.25%, which we all knew was going to happen, they kind of hinted that this may be it as far as rate increases. And that's a great thing. I don't think that they're going to all of a sudden start cutting rates, but it doesn't matter. They don't need to cut rates for mortgage rates to drop. And we don't even literally see rates being cut by the Fed until next year sometime. But the market is so oversold as far as interest rates that the mortgage-backed securities are going to become very valuable. And lenders, investors are going to jump right back in, and we're going to see our interest rates drop. I mean, so keep that in mind. I mean, we could easily see rates in the fives sooner than we think. And tomorrow specifically is a consumer price index report. Now, if we get a tame inflation number tomorrow, or inflationary number, as well as maybe what the Fed was hinting last week, I mean, we could see rates dropping immediately. I mean, so it's just something that you need to be aware. You need to reach out to us. We'll give you, instant live information.
Right.
Whether it's buying, selling, interest rates. We're a wealth of knowledge, not bragging, but we are.
That's where the gray hair comes in.
Exactly. So hopefully next video, then I have some good news to talk about. Rates are dropping.
So like Michael said, if you have any questions in between now and the next video in June, feel free to give us a shout. It doesn't cost you anything. Love to take your questions and have chats on the phone. We can kind of give you an update of what's going on an immediate basis. So again, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Go Dubs.
Bye.